Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom form URL with Jotform. This is incredibly useful if you want to create a memorable, professional-looking link for your forms rather than using the default random string of characters that Jotform generates. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your forms and customize their settings. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your existing forms displayed. Look through your forms and select the one you want to customize. When you've found it, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor where you can make various changes to your form's appearance and settings. Now that you're in the form editor, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see several options. Click on the Publish button. This is where all your sharing and distribution options are located, including the ability to customize your form's URL. The Publish section gives you control over how your form appears to the public and how it's accessed. In the Publish menu, look for the section labeled Share with Link. This is where your form's URL is displayed. Next to the default form URL, you'll notice a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. This opens up the editing interface for your form's web address. Once you click the pencil icon, you'll see a URL field appear. This is where you can customize your form's link. In this field, type your desired custom slug. For example, if you want your form to be easily identifiable, you might type something like apply or contact or registration. Choose something short, memorable, and relevant to your form's purpose. Keep in mind that this slug needs to be unique across Jotform, so if someone else is already using it, you'll need to pick something different. After you've entered your custom slug, the system will automatically generate your new custom URL. You'll see it displayed in the link field below. Go ahead and copy this new custom URL. You can do this by clicking the copy button next to it or by highlighting the entire URL and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now, to verify that your custom URL works correctly, click on a new tab in your web browser. Once the new tab opens, paste your URL link into the address bar and press Enter. This will take you directly to your form using the custom URL you just created. If everything loads properly, you've successfully created a custom branded link for your Jotform. And there you have it, you've now created a custom URL for your Jotform that's much easier to share and remember. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.